So, Brittany, the name of this software is called Screen-O-Matic. It actually has it set up where you can either record the video screen like I'm doing now, or in mid-screen. Sorry it keeps cutting me on and off. I'm playing with it a little bit, trying to figure out what you can and can't do during the middle of the broadcast. It looks like it'll let you switch between web pages and stuff like that. It's also set up where if you wanted to just do a picture of a video of you reading and maybe showing the kids something in the background, you can do that. You can do it where you're just doing the screen, or you can do it where you're doing a little bit of the screen and the web page, or you can just do the web page. Like I said, though, looking at the stuff, the limit is 15 minutes. And so, just giving you a heads up, I'm going to shoot this video and try to make a YouTube thing and send it to you, and let me know that you got it.